Hey guys, in this video we're gonna fix the Wi-Fi login page not showing on Windows, so you can actually connect to public or captive networks without any issues. So first, simply try forgetting the network and reconnecting again. So simply click the Wi-Fi icon, then select the network and choose forget, then reconnect afterwards. So this alone often triggers the login page. Now, if that doesn't work, you can also open your browser and type in a common URL like the one I'm going to show on screen. Now, this can force the captive portal to appear. So you can also try making sure your DNS settings are set to automatic. So to do this, simply go to Settings, then go to Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi, then Hardware Properties, then finally edit IP settings. From here, you then have to select automatic. So after these steps, the Wi-Fi login page should appear, letting you access the network normally again. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.